FEIYUE, the historical inheritor of the development of Chinese modern sewing machines. Founded in 1981, FEIYUE is committed to the continuous exploration of human business civilization. It also strives for the advancement of technological progress, become the pioneer of China's private economy from scratch, and the first to enter the world, creating world first-class brand, promoting FEIYUE to all families to the world. FEIYUE clarifies the strategic principle of 3 reductions and 4 emphases for future development, reducing assets, streamlining management, and limiting quantification while emphasizing brand, culture, technology, and talent, building an ecological and intelligent enterprise. FEIYUE insists on quality as life, the market is the sky, and technological innovation is the future. FEIYUE builds a value chain including products, technology, industry, and culture for the new era. Its independent technology sectors have been integrated into an open platform group with internal driving force. FEIYUE has entered a new era of a complete industry chain with independent R&D and manufacturing. Through independent research and production, FEIYUE has transformed its products to be smarter and more high-end. FEIYUE first equipped household sewing machines with an independently developed servo motor in 2022. It realized a dual upgrade of intelligence and digitization, focusing on the forefront demand of the new consumer market. Optimize industrial layout, build a green and autonomous industrial and supply chain system. Where there is family, there is FEIYUE. The electronic information sector, based on independent technology, has made a breakthrough in frequency controllers. FEIYUE has its own rhythm, giving Chinese manufacturing its own vital pulse. Servo motor and electronic control sector not only achieves diverse applications, but also with continuous innovation and platform empowerment, provides solutions for servo motor and intelligent electronic control market, bringing FEIYUE with more independent product and market margin. As a responsible enterprise, renewable resources and new material strategies always play a main role in the manufacturing industry. Continuously improves the recycling technology, high-efficiency recycling, to accelerate the path toward realizing the dual carbon target of the manufacturing industry at an early stage. FEIYUE Technology Park, based on the concept of an ecological platform, has integrated surrounding low-efficiency land resources and developed a booming industrial ecosystem. It has formed a 2 million square meter high-end industrial park with more than 500 settled enterprises. Covering high-end manufacturing and information technology, it has driven regional economic development, the mobile internet and sewing equipment industry. The same land now generates different values. Through the transformation from former to current driving forces, a total turnover of 10 billion has been achieved. And FEIYUE Technology Park is moving toward becoming a high-end park worth hundreds of billions. The consistent pursuit of brand internationalization has been FEIYUE's goal over the past decades. FEIYUE has built an extensive overseas marketing and service overseas that elevate Chinese manufacturing to the international stage. Network and developed an export-oriented internationalization model relying on its rich cultural heritage and strong brand resources. FEIYUE has delivered high-end intelligent products to more than 150 countries and regions. Nowadays, FEIYUE focuses on talent development as its core strategy, with independent R&D and production across the entire industrial chain. Taking its independent full industry chain production base as an example, it is actively expanding overseas. It leads industry standard formulation and intellectual property protection in multiple fields. With a higher vision, it forges ahead on the global stage. FEIYUE embrace its second leap forward for Made in China. A single rainfall cannot wash away rivers and plains. Great rivers are formed over the years, carrying power that gallops forward. FEIYUE, new times, bright new future.